Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Isang tulog na lang at mag-perform na ang ating mahalima sa Lollapalooza. At heto nga, dahil newest ambassador ng DOT o Department of Tourism ang ating SB19, mayroong pa party at pakonsuelo ang Tourism Philippines sa ating 18 at sa ating lahat. At heto sa Pilipinas, dadalhin ng DOT ang Lollapalooza sa Luneta para lahat makapanood. Let's Lollapalooza party na. Kaya naman 18, let's get it on. At sold out na. Punong-puno na ang venue ng Luneta para sa Lollapalooza party at performances ng SB19 bukas na. Heto ang pakonsuelo ng DOT para sa 18 dahil naging ambassador na, newest ambassador na ng Tourism Philippines ang ating The King of P-Pop SB19. From Lollapalooza sa Chicago, dadalhin sa Pilipinas, sa Luneta, ang Lollapalooza performances ng SB19.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired.